Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ask Me How. Today I will tell you how to subscribe for the ILOE insurance. So now we go to the ILOE app. Open your app ILOE Involuntary Loss of Employment. This is compulsory in UAE. If you don't subscribe for this, you will get fined from the government side. So now after opening the app, you will get option to change your language: English, Arabic. This is Arabic, Urdu and Hindi also. So guys, I use English language because everybody will understand the English. This is the option for select your language. Open your profile with your registered user or with OTP. So you need to put your Emirates ID here. I will open with the OTP. First put your Emirates ID, then give your mobile number. When you give your mobile number, they will send OTP in your mobile number. Give your date of birth, date, month and year. After giving all this information, three information, just wait for the OTP. They will send OTP in your registered mobile number. Okay, OTP already came. Now my profile is open. Now they are giving the information that your salary falls under category A. Under 16,000 you need to pay 5 dirham per month. Before this there was option for 6 months and 1 year also, but now they changed the rule. There is no option for 6 months or 1 year. You need to subscribe for 2 years, 24 months compulsory. First confirm your personal details are correct. Then click on AD 126. You will go to the next page. So this is your premium summary for ILOE insurance. Total premium is 120 plus 5% VAT is 126. Press on pay now. If you press on pay now, it will go to the another page. Here you need to fill your Visa card or MasterCard number. You can pay online from here, from your Visa card or MasterCard. Okay, give your information about the card, your card number, your validity. After giving your card details, OTP will come to your mobile number from your bank. Okay, OTP already came. I will fill the OTP. So my payment is successful. Now again we will go to the ILOE app to check the application is already subscribed or not. I hope this video will help most of the viewers to pay their ILOE insurance, subscribe their insurance on time to avoid fines, because they will charge big amount of fines if you don't subscribe the ILOE insurance. We will log in again to the profile ILOE, then we will check the new application. Here we will check the premium just we have subscribed. Log into the profile. You have fully paid the policy premium 126. You already paid and already subscribed. Now we can see in the serial number 3, my validity is until 10 April 2027. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.